Malini and मुझे इस शो पे आके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I love being a judge of sorry. It's very hectic. Hi, I'm Malini Agarwal. Today I am on shoot. Usually I just roll out of bed and get onto my laptop and start doing some work. On days like this, I get to come here, chill in a cool vanity, and get ready for a shoot day. And Pooja is working her magic, as you can see.
Hi, hello.
Hi, Malini.
Hi.
How's it going?
Thick, as you can see. Today I am on shoot, but in the morning I had to plan a big event I'm doing for Friendship Day, so I was doing the guest list for that. And then I also have a bunch of other things in plan. So I'm planning my trip to London because I'm going to win an award there, so I'm planning that. And then I have to plan a trip to Goa and to Bangalore for my good creator community. So kind of don't have a second free, to be honest. But it's good. It's good to have a safe space to get some work done instead of just waiting around. So I brought a copy of my book for Sarova because she wanted to hear my story, so I'm going to sign them. I bought them for the Dhruves as well, just in case. So during the breaks between shoots, there's a lot of silliness that happens. As you know, Dhruv and Dhruv are the fun masters, so we have a lot of fun on set. I kick off my heels, wear my charms, have some chai, some Maggie as well, and it's just a really, really fun atmosphere. All of it. I love the whole setting up, getting ready, all the fun like jokes that happen behind the scenes. It was so much fun. I really enjoyed being on set today, and the time goes by really fast. Early pack-up is the best, but I have to make sure I'm responsible and go to bed early tonight, so I'm going to try. Finally done for the day. What a fun shoot. See you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Inventor Challenge YouTube channel.